So inside the compound object called log, but using 2D shapes only we are. So for that, first go to the front view and all W to maximize. But before doing that, once you reset, go to the customize, unit setup, make it millimeters, both of them, system unit and the display unit, millimeters. Click OK and OK. Huh? Both millimeters. Then go to the front view, all W to maximize. Let's say go to the shapes, click on the rectangle, give the length as, let's say 50, width as 400 in the keyboard entry, yes. Length as 50, width as 400. Click create. Escape twice to finish. Length 50, width 400 actually it should be. It should be opposite. But still, okay, no problem. Just go to the modify and make it opposite. Length will be 400, width will be 50. Yeah, select the object. Huh? Keyboard entry. Length 400, width 50. This is front view. Okay. Then the rectangle is done. Now what I'm going to do, go to the create again. Click on the circle. In the keyboard entry, give the radius as 150 and click create. Escape twice to finish. Radius is 150, means diameter is 300. So I should have how much? 75. Okay. Go to the modify, change the radius to 50. 50, 100. Okay. Done? Then click on the select and move. So I'm here. On the Z axis, type 200 and press enter.
200 what?
200 on the Z axis. Select the circle, click here on the select and move and type 200 and press enter. Done?
Select the circle then.
Select the circle, select and move 200 and press enter. Little bit, move it.
So if I am creating initially, it is in vertical only.
Vertical, standing now. Yeah.
When we created initially this mini box, it was starting from the
Ground, the platform.
But this rectangle is half up and half down.
Yeah, it's the, in the x minus xy. Normally it's in the center, right?
If you create a box, it all will be in the positive y z direction.
If you do it from the front, no.
From the front. This will be in
front.
So if we do in front, even if it is 3D item,
it will go half and half. Okay, in the x-axis type minus 25 and press enter. The circle,
Center is going on the corner.
Yes, the corner, yes. Done. Now, to select that vertex or the segment or to do the attach, you cannot do with the circle or the rectangle because you don't have that option at all. Okay, like I said, you have to explode him. Now, what we did with the 3D model, we made it edit poly, right? Like that for the 2D, select any one of them, either circle or rectangle, doesn't matter. Okay, select any one of them. In the modifier list, press E on your keyboard for edit spline. Press E on your keyboard for edit spline. So now you will see the vertex, segment and spline.
Spline mean together.
Spline means you're exploding him into different objects. Not together. You are, you want to edit it. Okay. Then click here on the attach and attach the circle. Attach the circle. Click on the attach again to finish. Click attach and click on the circle and click on the attach again to finish. Now it's together. Time to trim. Click here on the spline. Click here on the spline. Look for the command called trim. And I'm going to trim this one and I'm going to trim this one. Click on the trim again to finish. So when we make trim, what happens? That vertex won't be joined, right? So click on the vertex, select this vertices, right click and weld, and this one right click and weld vertex.
First select the
Click on the vertex and just move him here and there. You will know. Yeah. Okay. Click on the create to finish. Click on the create to finish. Now go to the perspective view. It will be more easy. Now click on the rectangle. In the shapes, click on the rectangle. Click on the rectangle and click on the plus sign near the keyboard entry. Mention the length, let's say 600, width, let's say for example 200, and click create. Escape twice to finish. Actually it should be opposite. So again, modify, or make him object 200, 600. And 600. Now, I need to delete this part, only this line, okay? So what I will do, I will go to the modifier list, I'll press E on the keyboard for edit spline. Select the rectangle, then edit spline. Click on the segment, select this front segment and delete. No, segment, not spline. There's a middle one. Only half, only this. Yeah, I want to delete only this. I want this one. This. That is box one.
This was deleted.
Done. Click on the create page. Click on the create to finish.
What we are making actually?
You will know.
Okay.
That is okay.
I think this is
Okay, select the line. Yeah, football ground. Select the line. Go to the geometry. Select the line. Go to the geometry. Click on the standard primitives. Select that rectangle. Go to the geometry. Click on the standard primitives. And go to compound objects. Okay?
Under primitives, right?
Compound objects.
Click that nested one. The first one. Yeah, click it. Now you can-
Done? Okay. Then click here on the loft. Click here on the loft. Get shape. Get shape. And click on that shape. So it will follow the path. Again. Select this one. Select the line. Click on the loft.
Now select this.
Get shape. And click on the shape. That's it.
This shape itself is wrong.
The shape will follow the line. Okay. The hand of the sofa. But we didn't make the cushion yet, so it's okay.
So it takes both the sides.
Done? Okay. Now you see the shape. Let's say I'm going to move it far away. Just want to show you. Now this shape which I created is the one which is following the path. Okay, I'm moving the shape also. See, my path is here now.
If I delete this one,
Which one?
this path and this.
This path and this, I can delete it. The shape will remain. Another good thing is, I can select the path. I can go to the modify. I can select that vertices. And when I do fillet, the 3D will change. the same. When I select the shape, vertices, my 3D will change. Want to repeat it? Okay. Do one thing. Let me. It was like this, right? Select your 3D shape and move him far away, anywhere you want, so that you can see the path and the shape together. Okay? Then select the path which you created. Go to the modify. Click on the vertices. Select both the points, this point. Go to the modify. Click here on the vertex, sorry. Then select both the points.
Only two way.
Yeah, only two vertices. Click on the fillet and type. Let's say I want the radius to be 200.
So 200 wire would be the fillet.
Huh?
200.
Fillet, yeah.
So once you enter, press enter,
Mhm.
the 200 value is no more available in flip box.
It will become 0
It
automatically.
will become 0 at every. So next value if you are putting it will come on top of that one, previous one.
Now, right now, if you put something, yeah, it will again, take it. 200, 200, 400. But where we will mention, there is nothing to mention now. So, for example, I say 20. Okay. And again I say 20. Now it will become 40. 20, 40, 80.
So to undo the fillet, we have to go for Control Z only, or is it possible with the minus?
Control Z. No, we cannot. Let's try, for example. It's not working. I'm going to select this both, fillet. When I type 20, it's curved, minus 20. No, fixed. It's not working, fillet.
One with the numbers only.
Control Z to undo and side. Control Z to undo. Click on the fillet. Okay, this is
Here it will be okay. As soon as it get applied, you see shape will become 0. But you will see 0.
If we give the fillet twice, it will affect twice.
twice. Okay.
With the same value.
Again, you are
Same value.
You have to put the value.
Lost. Make a reset. Don't save. Click yes. Go to the perspective view. Go to the perspective view. Go to the shapes. let's say click on the circle. In the keyboard entry, give the radius as 100 and click create. Escape twice to finish it. And just move him a little bit far away like that.
Moving only that.
Doesn't matter. Move anywhere you want.
No, but how it is the automatic F8, right? Similar to what is here.
If you want to move it on only one direction straight, you have to keep the mouse near the arrow. That's it.
Okay.
If you keep it on the center, it will move like this. Sorry. If you keep it here, it will move on both the sides. But arrow goes straight, 90 degree. Okay. Click on the rectangle in the keyboard entry. Mention the length and the width as 150 by 150 and create.
Right?
150.
Square.
Okay. 150 by 150. Click on the move and move him far away. Then click on the star in the keyboard entry. Mention the first radius of the star 100, second radius 25 and create. Escape twice to finish. Move him far away.
So first radius is outer one.
Yeah, the second radius is inner. That. Now, go to the front. Click on the line. Click on the initial type and drag type corner and corner. Plus sign near the keyboard entry. Okay. Make sure the X is 0 and the Z is, let's say, around 3000.
What?
1 minute. Move to keyboard entry. This one 0 and
Is it?
this one 3000. X and I mean X and Y. Okay. So this one. Sorry, you have to do it like this. Okay. Undo what you had done. Sorry.
One is 000.
1 is 000. Click on the line in the keyboard entry. First, make sure all of them are 000, X0, Y0, Z0, and click on the add point. Then again type on the Y3000, only on the Y3000, add point.
Why is 3000?
Yeah, Y is 3000 and add point.
That's it.
Nothing, all of them 0. And finish it. That's it. So it will create a straight line starting from 0 to 3000.
Basically, we provided two coordinates.
Two corners, yes. See, I have many lines now. Oh, it's a very big line. Done? No? Huh? Ah, okay. Done? Okay. Now select the line and click on the geometry. Go to the perspective viewer, select the line and click on the geometry. Yeah, finish, then escape twice to finish.
Select the lines and first.
Select the line and go to the geometry.
Second point is 0.
This is the line. In the front view. Escape. All the front. Then in the keyboard entry, okay, mention all of them 000. Okay. Then click here on the add point. Done. Then in the Y, type 3000 and add. Finish. Now finish here. In the keyboard, first finish. No, come down. When you scroll down, finish. Now go to the perspective. Escape twice and left. Front is not front.
I'm skin also. This one. Okay. Which one? Okay. And now here. See?
Okay. Select the line. Select the line and go to the geometry. Select the line and go to the geometry. Click on the standard primitives and go to compound objects. Go to compound objects. Then click on the loft. Click on the loft. You see here you have two options, percentage and distance. Change the percentage to distance. Change the percentage to distance. Okay. Remember, 0 is on the ground. Huh? Okay. Now what you will do, you will click get shape. Click get shape. And first click on the rectangle. So you will have a huge rectangle from 0 to 100. Perfect. Now the path, you see the path is saying 0 millimeter, right? Now I will show you. You will see a small X mark on the ground. That is the path actually. When you press F3, you can see it. A small X mark. This one, the tiny one, and the green line. Okay. Now what I will do in the path, I will type. Let's say I have 3000. I'm going to say 50 millimeters. 50, enter, yeah. Get shape, again, click on the get shape and click on the rectangle again. Click on the get shape and click on the rectangle again. So from 0 to 50, I have rectangle. Okay. On the path, I'm going to type 51, press enter. Get shape and click on the circle. So now the rectangle will become a circle.
Is this not geometry?
No, new.
No, it's
actually became
new circle. It's not bad geometry. It's because the rectangle is small, then the circle. Later on you can control.
First rectangle, then it becomes.
See this is rectangle. You have this rectangle.
First rectangle,
Then circle, yeah, that's what we want. Then I'm giving the circle up to 51, it's gonna be plus 20, I'm gonna give up to 70 millimeters. Yeah, path. Get shape, click on the circle again. Okay. Click on the circle again. Yeah. That green line will show that that is the ending of the circle. 70 millimeters, get shape, click on the circle.
It means from 51 to 70 is that.
Yes. Type 71, get shape and click on the star. Done? Okay. Let's say I will press escape twice to finish it. Escape twice to finish it. Now, select this circle, the rectangle. Select the rectangle, the 2D rectangle. Go to the modify. In the length, make it 400 by 400. Select the circle, make the radius half of the rectangle, which is 150. Will be fine. Maybe we could have given a little bit more thing. It's okay. 150. Go to the radius, go to the star. Radius 150 for the circle. Select the star, increase the radius to also 150. inner radius, let's say, I'm gonna say around 100, yeah. Number of points, I'm gonna say 8. Fillet radius, let's say I'm gonna give up to 30. Fillet radius 2 also, I'm gonna give up to maybe 10. See, half column. So you can control each and every object how you want. Then it's no. Once it's broken, again you have to create the shape. Height. If you want to control the height, select the line. Select the line, click on the vertices, and you can pull them down. I move the shape, this 3D far away from the line, like here. Then select the line. Click on the vertices. And here on the z-axis, you can say maybe 1,500.
No, the middle of, you cannot change that circle for question.
You mean this circle portion?
Huh?
You want it bigger? Then select the shape, the 3D. Go to the modify. Then click on the plus sign near the loft. Shape. Try to select the circle. See here it's saying 35 millimeters, right?
No, which circle?
The circle, the 3D circle. But you have to move first the star, then the circle. It will be.
Okay.
1 minute. I accidentally broke it. Say again.
Now we have this shape, and if I want to edit that square, if I want to trim one fixed line, then it was on.
You mean this one?
Yeah.
If you want to do this one, when I make it edit spline, let's say segment. So when I delete it, it will go the half one. See? Or you can do, yeah, select the vertices and you can do fillet also. Huh? Make it edit spline. Select what you want to do. No, you want to make the fillet for the rectangle, right? Yeah. No, select the text. Yeah, select the delete. Select any portion, delete. Press delete. I want to do the law.
But that is like such a way.
And play around with it. Okay. So from the beginning, you mentioned
Otherwise, you can take a break.
we can take a break, yeah.
Just before I reach,
After
No break.
its dimension,